Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get the channel to 20,000 subscribers. Yay! I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, guys. I know I've you know kind of slowed down on the content, guys. I'm coming back and I want you guys to tell me happy birthday down below because this is my birthday month. I'm a Virgo, so yeah, guys, and I'm gonna be 29. So at least, guys, I expect to get at least 29 comments on this video. Yeah, so yeah, guys, as you guys can see, I have a blender on my table today because I'm going to be making some strong back. Yes, strong back. And guess what, guys, this strong back is not just for men, because most of the time we always say, oh, and the man, they want to strong up them back. We women, we need to strong up our back as well, right? So yes, this is, so yeah, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys the things that I'm using. First, rate the outfit, of course, sexy. Yeah, rate the outfit, guys. I'm gonna get into, so yeah, guys, this is, so I have my blender ready, guys. I'm gonna be using some raw, so we have some raw peanut, guys, right? So that means we'll get the full strength of the peanut, and this is for fiber, guys, right? It's good for fiber. It's good for bones and just all overall digestive health, right? It's good for digestive health. We have our flaxseed, which has the same benefit as the it has the same benefit as the peanut, right? I have my cow's milk, Surge cow's milk, guys. So yeah, guys, Surge cow's milk is what I'm using today. I have my Fosca oats, of course, and I feel like most of these ingredients can be found like everywhere in the world, not just in Jamaica. So I feel like everybody can try this, right? I want to know if you try it and comment down below, right? Comment down below and tell me what so I want to try this strong back drink, because guys, I'm gonna be making other videos of different healthy drinks, punch that you guys can make. This drink, it can give you guys a lot of energy for the hardworking people. I want to feel like so not eat right and get enough nutrients. Okay, yeah, guys, also I want you guys to comment down below, guys. I bought some mics, and to tell you the truth, I'm having a little problem with connecting it to my phone. So I need you guys to also comment down below if you have an idea how I can you know sort that out. So yeah, guys, we also have some guineas. So this is smooth. About two different types of guineas, right? About the original, you guys, about the original, and about the guineas stout, right? So these are for just kind of just give what may I say now, it's just to give the drink a little unusual taste, like putting these in your with mix with milk and everything, guys. Oh my god, it just gives an unusual taste, and that is why we use it in it. And if you are if you cannot drink alcohol, you don't have to put this in. You find other alternatives, right? You don't have to put these in. We have also our Irish mash drink. I don't know if you guys have this in your country, but in Jamaica we have this, guys. I was gonna buy the raw Irish mash, but it takes a while to make. So I decided to just buy the drink, right? Also, I have these for flavoring, you know, to give it some flavor. Some vanilla, of course, for the same thing, and Betty to sweeten, right? So we're gonna use the Betty condensed milk to sweeten it. You guys don't have to use this. You can use honey, you can use sugar. I don't advise you guys to use the sugar. I don't advise you guys to use the sugar because the sugar, you know, it may be, I don't know, but I just feel like the sugar is just like not a good option for it. Like it's gonna be too grainy, and I feel like it's gonna be hard to blend and come together with the drink. So I rather that you use either a condensed milk or you use honey, right? That's it, guys. Now go plug in the blender, right? Go plug in the blender, guys. And make sure say the blender is clean, right? Make sure see your blender clean, guys. Make sure you're telling you. Make sure your blender clean. So me I plug in the blender. Right? So yeah, guys. I'm going to add. So the first thing I'm going to add in the blender, guys. So the first thing I'm going to add in the blender. I'm going to add in the Irish mash and the peanut and some of the flax seeds, right? So I'm going to add in that first in the blender. So yeah guys, the first thing I'm going to be adding in my blender is my Irish mash, right? So I'm going to add in my Irish mash in my blender first, and then I'm going to add in so yeah guys, the Irish mash stick. Then I'm going to add in the peanuts. Like, I don't have time to I'm gonna add in like some of the peanuts, like not all, you know. So we're gonna put in the flax seeds as well. But I'm not sure we put in so much flax seed. And then guys, I'm gonna be adding in some oats. So me now put in everything in one time, guys, because everything now can hold in the blender. But now we'll try. You get 2 pack of oats in this, guys. So it's a deal. You need to check your price how much it is. But it's a deal. Oh yes, guys, and this is also a good weight gain. So if you have a problem with your weight, you can also make this drink, right? Okay guys, this is what we're gonna do now. So we have in, so I put in the Irish mash, the peanuts, the flaxseed, and some oats. Guys, don't put too much oats, right? Because you guys know that oats suck water, right? So don't put too much oats in it, right? So I'm gonna put some milk in it. I'm gonna get like some milk to bring it up to like here, right? I'm gonna get some milk in it, guys. Milk in the strong back, right? Yeah, save some of the milk. We're gonna get it really blended up, right? So we're gonna get it really blended, right? So yeah, guys. So so we have the nuts and the stuff in it. We want to make sure that everything is blended. You can go for a spoon. when you're doing it, guys, use a spoon to kind of look and check to see the process. It smells really good already. So you guys, still want to blend up some more, guys. So yeah, that's how you test it. You test it with a spoon to make sure that everything is blended, because it's a punch, guys. So y'all want it as smooth as possible, right? Y'all want it as smooth as possible. Come with it now. You're gonna want it as smooth as possible, guys. So we're gonna close it and blend it up some more. We're still seeing some particles of the peanut and the thing. So yeah, guys, it's not gonna be smooth, but I think I'm gonna give it some more minutes in the blender. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, that is. I'll check this now. See? And it smells good already, you know. It smells good already. You know, these are the voices. It smells good already. Guys, it's not gonna be smooth. It's not gonna be very smooth. You know, because it's gonna be. So yeah, guys, the next step, you get yourself a big container with some ice, right? So when you get the ice container, guys, when you get the ice container, you're just gonna pour this in, right? We're just gonna pour it in, right? I'm gonna put some milk. Yeah, put it on ice, guys. Yeah, glow. So yeah, guys, that is it. Then we mix it. We mix it around the ice. I'm mixing it around in the ice. So yeah, guys, this is how it's looking. You get it in the ice and you mix it around. And we're gonna add some other stuff to it, right? So yeah, guys, you have to make sure it's cool, right? Very cool, because it tastes better when it's cool. So yeah, guys, I'm back. We're gonna add our dragon stout to the drink, right? Some dragon stout. Put it. Yeah. Ooh. We're gonna do all of the dragon, because we don't drink dragon otherwise than if I make punch. And this is the regular dragon. Ooh. That is it. Jack, go look in there so you see me. And we mix it round. Look in there so you see me. We make it just by a while. Then we mix it round, guys. I'm sending him, you know, cover up it just by. So yeah guys, we have our, and we're gonna add some vanilla to bring up the taste guys. I don't smell nice, this. It smells nice, yeah. Yeah, it smells good.
Can't you smell the dragon from here so.
Yeah, it smells good. You hear my son say it smells good guys? Yeah, so I don't know what say. I don't lie. It's the truth. So I just put it. I threw the paper the pan. So I'm using knife and bus. Yeah, guys, so we have put the vanilla and we have put the rose and almond mix. Oh, this thing I give me trouble to pull. Let me have a move from here, so. Can I pull it and me now. Because the wrap on fire. That's a little trouble in me. I don't want that. So yeah guys, we not put too much in there. Just like, no, just judgy. Just judgy guys, just judgy.
I will judge it.
Or something like that. So guys, I mix it around. The last thing we're going to put in is the sweetener. That overflow. Little mommy, don't worry me while you back it up. So mix. So we are dealing with it. And you see guys, it's not too thick. That means it's just right. But you're going to get little. You see through the oats and the peanut in there, you know, say you're going to get little roughage. Right? Which is good. It's very good. We're going to add in with milk now, with sweetener. To get the real taste. So yeah guys, we are adding the milk, the sweetener. Sweeten it up guys. I'm going to mix it in now. This whole of the day. You don't have to put too much milk in there like me. Because I kind of like things sweet. Make sure so you don't have it on high and mix it. That means say cool. So yeah. I'm gonna taste it guys. Let you guys see me taste it. So stay tuned for that. We are strong up the back guys, right? Strong up the back. Strong back as a Valiant say, strong back in my back. But yeah. See how easy it is prepared guys, it's nothing too much. So I'm gonna try it. Guys because it's cool and nice so you can try it same time. I even want you guys to see how smooth it is. You see how smooth? Yeah, really smooth. And it's a messy, very messy. So nobody think we're not gonna get it clean. It's a messy drink. The only thing that I don't like about it guys is the peanut, because I'm not a fan of the raw peanut. So if you're not a fan of the raw peanut, don't put it in. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But so yeah guys, we have come to the end of the video. Tell me guys if you like this type of video and if you want me to do more punch videos, guys. And remember, if you do try this recipe, please comment down below and tell me how it tastes, if you like it, if this drink help you, give you more energy, and if it also, you know, as I said, it's also a weight gain. So if you want to gain some weight, it's good to also drink this drink as well, right? So stay tuned, guys. Let's get the channel to 20,000